pan is done, so not done yet, but now it's time to check up if this old pan contains the same amount of liters that than the new one does. So let's see how much there can be in this. And holy smokes. That is a lot. I gotta get some more water. That is a lot. Holy! How lucky can you be? Check this out. Water is just up to the place where I cut it. So there is exactly, actually a little more room here in the side. But wow, that is a lucky punch. So now I'm gonna test if all my welds is tight. So I'm gonna put some more water in up to over the top. Oh, there's something here. That welding is not tight so far. God damn it! It is watertight with pressure. Just this little thing. That is, my TIG welding is not like it used to be. Yeah, it's a cold welding right there. So I'm gonna fix that, and then it should be tight. Wow! I'm really satisfied.
Freight car steaming down the line to Birmingham. My guitar is the only friend that gives a damn. Running on the borderline, southbound on a riverboat to Baton Rouge.
Yeah, now I got the upper part of the airbag consoles made as well, so yeah, now there's nothing less to do but take off the arms on the lower and the handbrake cable, and then I can turn the axle around and fully weld the whole thing. Yep.
Turned down by a woman with a heart of coal. Shook down, Delta lady, won't you free my soul?
So now the brackets is fully welded, and I have heated it with the torch on the other side, so it should still be straight. Next up is, as you can see, I'm trying to find a line for the step size here, and I was talking with my friend Soon, and he was talking about making this one go in and follow that line, and then go back to around here in the same line, and then go out to the back wheels. So I just have to bend this one and see how that looks. And then the idea is to get a plate on top here and underneath here. So this is going 2 inches up, so it fits right under the frame with that thing, and one around here and maybe one here. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So now the brakes are actually done, and I got the parking brake cable on. I just clamped them on the lower arm there and under the frame right here over to right under the engine, and just the lock we always have. It can be just assembled just right under here where the engine is, and if you see right in there in the middle, I have made the hole for the parking brake cable from the cabin, so I can assemble these two under here in this round. This is awesome. How lucky is that? Just order the cables for the set, and yeah, it fits right where I want it. Awesome! And now for the new thing. We are on now. Big bad rear fenders.